All right, today we are going to practice using simple and interest formulas. For number one, you're going to find the simple interest for a loan that is $2,000 for 2 years at a simple interest rate at 6%. The formula is the interest is equivalent to the principal, that's what the P stands for, times the rate, that's what the R stands for, times the time. The principal stands for the amount of money that you first initially start with. So in this case, it's going to be $2,000. The R stands for your rate. Now, it's given in a percentage, but you actually need to write this in decimal or fraction form. 6% means 6 out of 100. So 6 over 100. As a decimal, that would be 0.06. And then the T stands for time. So you're going to use the time in years, and it's 2 years. You're then going to take this formula and you're going to open up Desmos, and you're going to plug it into Desmos. 2,000 times 0.06, 0.06 times 2 years. And that's going to give you a total of $240. We're going to go back over to my page, and that says $240. So that means that the interest that you would earn on this account would be $240. All right, number two, it says find your total balance. If your deposit was $14,000 in a savings account with a 6% simple interest rate for 9 years. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to plug the numbers into the formula. So it says P, which stands for principal. You're starting off with $14,000 times the rate. And in this case, the rate is again 6%. So we're going to write that as a decimal. You can write it as a fraction if you'd like. Multiplied by the time in years. In this case, it is 9 years. You're going to take that formula and you're going to plug it into Desmos. And so it was $14,000 times 0.06 times 9. And that gives us a total of $75.60. Go back over. $75.60. Now this is our interest for $75.60. The question is asking for your total balance. Because it's asking for your total balance, you're not done with this question. So you need to take your interest of $75.60 and you need to add it to your initial balance, your principal of $14,000, in order to get your total balance of $21,560. All right, we're going to move to compound interest now. Now with compound interest, as you can remember, is when you're not just earning interest on the initial set of money, but it's actually earning interest every year on that new set of money. So number 3 says, what is the balance in your savings account if you deposited $1,240 for 4 years with a 3% compound interest rate? Same things apply. We're going to actually plug the numbers into our formula. We've got a principal of $1,240. In this formula, you've got parentheses and then a 1